The passage shows us that Melina's father was honest and she has evidence to make him free. So the clear prediction for the blank is to make free from the blank. Exonerate and exculpate given as choice A and choice E mean showing that someone is not guilty or wrongdoing or someone is free from guilt. And so these two choices, choice A and choice E, merge our prediction as correct answers. On the other hand, exterminate and exclude given as choice B and C mean to destroy and keep out from anything respectively, while exterminate is unfit and irrelevant for the blank as correct answer. Exclude has a relevancy to be fitted as correct answer, but choice A and E are more specific than exclude as choice C. So we can eliminate this option as an incorrect choice. Besides, expand and exteriorize mean erasing or making exterior, where both of which are unfit as correct answer, though expand can have a little relevancy but not specific as choice A and E. So the correct answers are choice A and choice E.